Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here just for a moment. First, I want to say thank you to our existing team. You guys are awesome. Thank you to Steve Gresham that did an absolutely incredible presentation last night, and totally unexpected that he would say anything about me. So I say thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate it. Got a message from my sponsor this morning. He was on the call and really appreciated Steve's kindness as well. And he said kudos and was very kind as well. So anyway, guys, just an incredible amount of leadership that we have here. So I'm very grateful that over a year ago I said yes to this business. So I am 100% committed to helping 3 people be free. If you're already on my team, I'm here to help you. If you haven't yet joined my team, but you're serious about helping 3 people be free, I'm here to help you. So, how do I know that you're the one? I'm going to know by your results, and we are going to connect and do this together, okay? So, a couple of us did a Zoom call after the presentation last night. That was fun, and so I want to encourage you. Remember, there are no income or savings guarantees. Your results may vary, okay? So I want to encourage you to get behind the wheel. Clearly define your desire. So if it's as simple as helping 3 people be free, every day you're going to get in your vehicle, which is your business, okay? You are going to take personal responsibility for your success. Your results are going to be determined by your thoughts, your words, your feelings, and taking inspired action. When you get all 4 of those things working in sync, going in the same direction at the same time, you are going to achieve helping 3 people be free. So you have to get in your vehicle every day, get behind the wheel, take personal responsibility. I have to do it. We all have to do it. And focus on helping people. You see, this is a lot of money to most people. We're actually, to God, to the universe, there's really nothing big or small. So this is just our programming that says this is a lot of money. Okay? So since we have resistance to receiving money, we have to focus on helping people. And if you focus on helping people, then the money will show up. Okay? So, my website is thankgod.myonedollarbusiness.com. My phone number 618-223-6006. I will put Steve's presentation in the description so that you can listen. And so, there's nothing like owing no man anything, guys. So, let's make a decision. Where do you see yourself getting started? Gold or platinum? It's completely up to you. Let's get you behind the wheel. Let's focus on the right words, the right thoughts, the right feelings, and take an inspired action and get you to helping 3 people be free. Thank you. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.